and gentlemen, you can't understand Python programming language without understand this basic skills here. This one, you see here in this video we are going to see or to run the Python output, which accompanied by this print function. Do you know anything you want to print in Python programming language? You just need to use this print function. So we are going to see how to use the print function. We are going to see how to print numbers and also how to print the mixture of both text and numbers. So if you are new here, please don't miss this lesson. Watch it until the end and don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can also learn with us and master different computer programming languages. Let's get started. Yes guys, whenever we want to print any statement or anything in Python programming language, as I already said, we need to use this print function, this one, right? This print function is used to display text or output value. Any text or output value, we just use this print function, this one. You see, for example, we can just come and print, let me delete this one. You can just come and print like this one, print now hello world, you see, like this one. Actually, as you see, without this print function you can't display this statement saying that hello world. But once we write like this one and run our program, let us see. Actually, you see an output is this one, hello world. So to print any text, we just use this print function. And also, for example, you can also print I'm running Python programming language, or just I'm running Python. But make sure that inside this curly braces we have double quotation or just a single one. We will see how also they are working. I'm running Python, like this one. Do you see? So also once we save it and run it, now we get two statements. First one saying that hello world, then I'm running Python program. You are still seeing this one because it's already there, but you can delete it once you want, right? So the things which is important here is this one, hello world, I'm running Python. So as you see, this is how you can print out text in Python program. Yes, but here what to note or to keep in our minds is this one. We can just use either double quote or single quote here. You can just use double quote or single quote here. Yes, for example, here you can just write a statement using single quote. For example, this is GOO ICT Academy, just Coding Academy. Do you see? Coding Academy, like this one. Example. So once we save it and run it, you will see that now. Let me delete all of this, run it again. See what we are going to get now. We are going to get statement saying that hello world, I'm running Python. This is GOO Coding Academy. See here, right? So you see, it's just a simple, just to understand how to use this print function with either double quotes or single quote. So without spend much more time, let us see now how you can print numbers in Python programming language. Yes guys, to print numbers you can also use the print function to display numbers. However, unlike text, here we don't put number in double quotes. You see, we can't put numbers in double quotes. For example, here let us delete this one and print numbers. For example, let us print 3 like this one. Let us print like 3. Once you write this one and save it, you can just run it and get an output which is 3 now here. Do you see here this one? As another example, you can just print like 500. You see, like this one. Then we save it, just print. Actually, you can also use this print function to print numbers. Do you see? but we don't need here to use double quotes. Use this double quote or single quote when you are dealing with text or characters, right? So also you can make mathematical operations inside this print function. You will also need to do some mathematical operations using this print function. For example, here let us take a simple example. Suppose you want to print a summation of two numbers. Just using this print function, you can just write print 2 plus 5 like this one. What will you get? Tell us in comment what will you get here. Here we should get 8 as output. Let us run to check it. Yeah, you see here we have our output here. This was for previous codes. Here our output is this one, 8. Do you see? Let us now delete them and print another number. Here print like 2 times 5, for example, 2 times 5. You see, then you just save it and run. Once you click on run, do you see we'll get 8 for addition and 10 for multiplication, right? So as you see, we can also make some mathematical operations inside this print function, but you don't need to use double quotes or single quotes, right? So by learning this lesson, let us see the last point, which is mixture of text and numbers. Sometimes we may ask it to print out statements saying like I'm 25 years old, you know. So let us see how you can print like that statement. Yes guys, to print that statement, let us do it together and see how it works. We just also need to print, but here before printing it, let me tell you in simple what we should do here. Here you can combine text and numbers in one output, but separately you can separating them by just using comma. Here we need to use comma to separate those text and numbers. For example, here print like this one, first statement should be in double quotes like I am, then here we use comma 25, for example, then also comma, then we need also double quotes to display another remaining text. I'm 25 years old, like this one. Do you see? It's just simple. We just to understand the syntax, we just separate text and numbers by using this comma. Once we save it and run here, then you see I'm 25 years old. Do you see? So what I request you is to understand how this print works, how to print any text, how to print numbers, and how to print both text and numbers in the same line, right? As you see here, this is our correct and accurate example showing that how to print out mixture of text and numbers, right? So as usual, I can't end a lesson without giving you a challenge, code challenge, or just challenge task about what we learned, right? So that's why in comment section, in your comment, you are going to write like a simple code or line of code, print this one. I'm student, for example, I'm student and I'm 20, just I'm 30 years old. You see, this is what you are going to do for your own pace, right? In the comment section, try to write the line of code that will display this statement. I'm a student and I'm 30 years old, right? So thank you for watching this video. Try this task. If you have any question or idea, please let us know in the comment section. And if you are new here, please don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues. Also remember to open the bell so that whenever we upload a new lesson, you will get notification immediately. So thank you. See you in next lesson.